Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hi. So you want to know more about QuickTime Player won't start. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about QuickTime Player won't start is answers.microsoft.com. See the page titled iTunes/QuickTime won't open or install Windows 7. This is the link. You can also try discussions.apple.com, especially the page QuickTime won't start, Apple support communities. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 46378.r.msn.com. The web page Fix QuickTime Player, recommended, QuickTime Player Fixer. This is the link.